Welcome to my demo video. In this video, I demonstrate remote configuration of integrated circuit features via smart contracts. Here, the microcontroller ESP8266 Node MCU turns on one or two LEDs connected to it based on the configuration requested by the user. The microcontroller pulls smart contract embedded into it and gets the updated reconfiguration when it is requested by its user, and applies the reconfiguration to turn on the LED. Here the Raspberry Pi works as a lightweight node for Ethereum blockchain, and the microcontroller is programmed via the laptop via a serial connector. The Raspberry Pi is in sync with the blockchain, the ring-free blockchain we use for our test purpose. Here we can see that it is downloading the header only, the block headers. That's why it's called the lightweight node. For the demonstration purpose, we are using the light node. So this is the code which is programmed into the microcontroller. We coded in Arduino and loaded it via the serial connector. Next, the smart contract which is embedded into the microcontroller is in the blockchain already. This is already deployed. So this is the smart contract, and it has several functions. And one of the function which we are going to use is turn light on. So this is the same smart contract which is being accessed by its user using his wallet. So we write the contract address and we select the function. It has several functions, and among the other functions we use the turn light on, and this function has two arguments. One is LED turn on, which indicates particular configuration. Here we choose the first configuration, which means to turn the first LED only. LED timer we can choose, for example, 60 seconds, and for that we have to pay 0.1 ether. So as soon as we select these arguments and pay the ether, we can write, and once it writes, so the LED is still turned off. Once this write is completed, this LED will turn on immediately. So we can see that it's being confirmed. It is asking for one confirmation. So from my account I confirm it, and once I confirm, it will take little time, and once it's uploaded in the blockchain, the LED will turn on immediately. As we can see, the LED is turned on, and here if we check the block explorer ether scan, we'll see that there is one updated transaction which is, if we refresh it, we can check and verify that the transaction has been just added to one of the blocks. Yes, 40 seconds ago. So as we can see that in just 40 seconds ago, it is appended to the blockchain and the LED is turned on, and the LED will be turned on for 60 seconds period of time as requested by the user. So after 60 seconds, it will be turned off automatically, because the microcontroller is applying the configuration for that specific amount of time only. So we can see that the LED is turned off automatically. So next, what we can do, we can again choose another configuration, which is, for example, configuration 2, and then we have to pay a little extra money, which is 0.2 ether. And if right now there is like no LED turned on, and if we write this, and it will again ask for one confirmation, and once we confirm the transaction, it will take some time as per Ethereum Ring-B test network transaction rate, and it will turn on both the LEDs because the microcontroller is polling that particular smart contract. And once that transaction is confirmed, it will get the updated reconfiguration and turn on both the LEDs as it just did. So also we can check it in the updated blockchain explorer. Here we will see that there is one more transaction which is appended. Yes, we can see that just 35 seconds ago one more transaction is appended to the blockchain, which indicates the second request by the user to turn on the two LEDs by choosing the configuration 2. So this also will turn off automatically after 60 seconds because that is the amount of time which is requested by the user. Yes, so by this similar way the user can choose any particular configuration and any amount of time, and he will get the reconfiguration applied in the device for that specific time. Thank you for watching my video.